Hey there! If you're a taxpayer, you're going to want to stick around for this one. There's some big news that could impact your wallet in 2025. Ever heard of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, or TCJA for short? Well, today we're diving into how its expiration could mean higher taxes for you. First, let's rewind to pre-TCJA times. Picture this: higher tax brackets, smaller standard deductions. For example, the 25% tax bracket applied to incomes between roughly $38,000 and $91,000 for single filers. The standard deduction was around $6,500 for singles and $13,000 for married couples filing jointly. Fast forward to 2018 when TCJA kicked in. Tax brackets shifted. That 25% bracket, now it's 22%, and it covers incomes up to around $82,500 for single filers. The standard deduction, it almost doubled to $12,000 for singles and $24,000 for married couples. It was a game changer. But here's the kicker: the TCJA is set to expire in 2025. If Congress doesn't extend it, those favorable tax brackets and deductions could vanish. We could revert to the old, higher tax brackets. Imagine your income being pushed into a higher tax bracket just like that. Plus, the standard deduction will shrink back down. So what does this mean for you? Well, if you've enjoyed lower taxes these past few years, brace yourself. Your tax rate might jump, and the deduction you've been relying on could shrink. It's like going from a cozy blanket to a thin sheet in the middle of winter. Not ideal, right? Now, I know taxes can be confusing and, let's be honest, a bit of a headache. But don't worry, I've got your back. The best way to prepare is to get a personal tax forecast. A tax consultation can help you understand how the potential changes might impact you specifically. No surprises, just solid planning. Imagine filing your 2025 taxes and being hit with a balance due because you didn't plan ahead. Not fun. But if you act now, you can avoid that unpleasant scenario and take control of your financial future. So, take a deep breath and consider booking a tax consultation today. Whether Congress extends the TCJA provisions or not, you'll be ready. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it could save you a lot of money and stress. Thanks for tuning in. Drop a comment below, and if you are ready to book your individual consultation, go to www.taxnightmaressimplified.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating your finances. See you next time.